the hall?
I have been met! Come on guys, we're gonna be late. Stop. Be cool.
You're simply the best.
What are they doing? Being cool.
Where am I actually going?
That way! Oh. Stop! Come on! What's going on?
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows?
Well done guys, we've made it.
Alright, thank you everyone. Time for assembly. Let's get in line. Take your shirt in there, please, sir. Right, alphabetical order, please. One behind the other. Ready to go in nice and quietly. Yeah, Isis, wait. Thank you. Right, everyone ready to go in? Excellent work, team.
Get off your phone, Briley.
Please stand for the national anthem.
Lorem ipsum dolo sit amet consectetur dispin illit. Sed do isudmod sed hatio illum marco laboris nisi ut aliquip et exaus poete extricatio dolo et reprehendit. Rebecca Burnett.
That is the end of our assembly. Please wait while the deans dismiss you.
All right, you can go now.
Right, guys, time to go to class.